Why does your scanner show the P0038 engine code? What does it mean? P0038 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 1, Sensor 2. This engine code indicates that the problem with the oxygen sensor heater circuit on the first bank of cylinders, specifically sensor 2, after the catalytic converter. This means the oxygen sensor heater is receiving too much voltage. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor heater, wiring issues, PCM issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.